An vigil, he was on benefits. It's something that I couldn't understand. It's something that triggers my crazy fits. But how I met the snake was so unplanned. It was within a game of AoE. Well, he was playing range Magyar Cav. And I was like, who is this guy I see? These are some skills that I would like to have. So I said, Golden Retriever, sir, what is this secret key? And since that day quite long ago, you ain't never had a friend like me. Meow, 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 I am Queen Meow Tell. And since that day it's we. And I put you under my spell. You ain't never had a friend like me. Lonely, you are a talker, and smart and hot and fun. Don't think I will just block her. I know that I'm your very favorite shun. I am your favorite girl, but love's not meant to be. We shouldn't risk our chemistry. You ain't never had a friend like me. Oh my, my. Happy birthday, 30-year Virgil. I'm your supply, your narcissist. I'm just kidding. I guess I have shown you some disregard, but you're clearly the light of my life. Shoulders broad, built like a bodyguard, and our lover gon' be your wife. I got a powerful urge to play with you. What's it to go? I really wanna know. Or maybe give some tips on murder too, while I decide if you are friend or foe. Hey oh, Golden Retriever Nick, don't you dare disagree with Queen Meow Tell, your lovely bell. You ain't never had a friend, never had a friend. You ain't never had a friend, never had a friend. You ain't never